So today I'm going to be filling in some blocks on the foundation. Stuff like that. First things first, I gotta mix some mortar. I'm gonna stir it till I have a nice mix. Alright, let's see how good of a mix I got. That'll work. So this is the first part that I need to fix. Or fill in. Pretty good foundation, just needs some filling in. Alright, so that turned out alright. Now I'm going to move down to the next part. My mortar's too wet, too dry, but I'm gonna try adding a little water because you can see how much like just kept falling out as I was trying to fill that right there and right here. Like it's not sticking well enough. Alright, so I have some cracks to fill between the blocks. So I have these bags. They're actually my wife's for baking. I should have gotten some from Home Depot, but I didn't. But I can't seem to find another way to fill it, so that's how I'm going to fill those. Alright, so I just filled in all those with the help of Axel. And then there was some, they're drying already, hard to kind of see. Obviously he had lots of fun in random spots on the house, but that's alright, it's all part of it. So, no, it wasn't anything major, just some gaps and stuff that I wanted to be filled, kind of along the bottom there. This right here was the worst spot because whoever had it before didn't have a gutter or something, I don't know, but that's filled. That's all filled. So once it's dry, I'll probably pressure wash it or something and it'll look like the rest of it. Thanks for watching. So yeah, I just used mortar. One thing I should have done before is wet the stone before I put the mortar on. So I would highly recommend that. Other than that, I used a baking bag I showed you. I would recommend getting like a real one from Home Depot for this kind of work. But yeah, it fills in the gaps really nicely. Makes it way easier than trying to put a trowel in there. See you guys in the next video. So I just got a broom and I just kind of brushed it along there. Once it's all completely dry, then I'm gonna pressure wash the block and get all the excess stuff off of it. You can see where it's dried. I mean, it's looking good. It just needs to be cleaned. And that's gonna take a while to dry because that's pretty deep.